Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am giving lecturing about email. It is a postcard. It is used to send a message from one place to another place. But it takes more time to reach the recipient or destination. It may be 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, sometimes a week also. It's depend on the distance between the sender and the receiver. We can say the present generation is a computer generation. Everything is going through computer, and the communication of sending a message from one place to another place, it is also going through by computer. It is called as an email. Now we will discuss more about email. Email, it is the full form of electronic mail. Here we are using some electronic components to send the messages from one place to another place. It is very fast and more convenient communication compared to letters, postal cards, we say, no, compared to that, it is more fast and also more convenient. We can send text messages, pictures, videos, etc. Through the internet, we can send emails. Using email, you can exchange messages with those who have an email account. Yes, to transfer or to send or receive an emails, we should have email account. Then only we can send or receive an emails. To send or receive an email, we should have first internet connection and also email account and also email ID of the person to whom you want to communicate with. With the help of internet, the email takes only a few minutes to reach its destination. This is just like a postal service, but in postal service, there the letters are delivering manually, but here we can send mails electronically over the internet. In postal service, we should write the address of the recipient, and also we should write a farm address also, means sender address and receiver address both are needed in postal service. Like here also address need, that is called email address. Here also both the sender and receiver must and should have their email addresses. This email address is made up of two names, that is username and host name or domain name. See, username and host name. The username and host name are separated by this symbol. This is pronounced as at. This at, it is a rating between of username and host name. For example, here Ravi Publishers at yahoo.com. This is the example of email address. Here the Ravi Publisher is the username and Yahoo is the host name, yahoo.com. This portion is called as host name. Then username, it is the name of the mailbox who is having an email account. Yes, Ravi Publisher, it is the username. Here Ravi Publisher is the person who is having an account. And then at yahoo.com, here the symbol at is separated the who part and where part. We can say who part and where part. Who part means username. Here we can say it has a who part, and host name is there, no, that is called where part, means left part. Who part, it is who means who is having account here, that is who part, and where part means where he is having account. Yes, it is very understand clearly here. Here two parts are there, one is who part and where part. Who means who is having account, and where means where he is having account. Where he is having means in which server he is having his account. Like another example, in the bank system, we know the bank accounts. Say bank names like SBI Bank, KGB Bank, Syndicate Bank, Canara Bank. See, these all are banks names. Okay, suppose if I am having an account in SBI, so that is SBI account, that is SBI account. Ravi, he is having his account in SBI. Here Ravi is the who part, and where he is having account in SBI. Ravi, he is also having another account in Syndicate Bank. Here Syndicate is the host name, Syndicate is the bank name, but who part means who is having account. Ravi only having account. Ravi only having account in both banks, one in SBI and one in Syndicate. Here Ravi is the common, Ravi is the who part, and where he is having account in SBI and in Syndicate. Ravi SBI account, Ravi Syndicate account. Like here in email, here also username and host name. Username here Ravi Publisher. Ravi, he is the who part, and where he is an account, his account means he is having in different servers. See, some of the different free servers are provided in the internet. It may be Hotmail, Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail, like this type. But here the Ravi is having his account in Yahoo Mail. So some are confusing. See, email means what? Gmail means what? Email means email. It is the communication mode, which is in this mode. So accounts are coming. It which server they are using, that is depend on the server. It is giving host names. It may be Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Rediff Mail or Hotmail, like this type coming. Now, advantages of email. The first advantage is it is free, costless and fast communication service. And the second one is it can reach any part of the world. That is also within a few seconds we can send the messages from any part in the world. Then the third advantage is it doesn't matter whether your message consists of a few lines of text or thousands of lines, whatever we can send pictures also, images also, videos also, and other graphics, GIF or any other songs, music, audio also. We can send audio files also, and the same messages can be sent to many number of people, many number of recipients. Just type the email ID of the recipients and send it. It will goes at a time to many recipients. These are the advantages of email. Now, creating an email account. See, however, we are creating an account in bank. Like here also, we have to create an account it first. See, in bank creating time, we are filling a form. Yes, like here also, if you want to create a new account, we should fill a form first. That is also available in internet. First, we have to choose which server we want to like. It is easy to create an email address or account. Let's create it on the mail server Yahoo. Just first we should go to Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or any one of the browser, and there should be type as a www.yahoo.com in the address field, and press enter. Then it is opening the home page of Yahoo, and their website appears on the screen in the left Yahoo sites pane. Then just click on the mail. Then there some options are coming. It is a sign into Yahoo window appearing. So they if you are already having account, means you have to enter your email ID and password to log in it. Suppose if you are not having any account, means you should click create a new account. Then after clicking this, a form will opens. You have to fill the form first and submit it, and it is asking username and password. You have to give username and password. Then you have to keep that password very carefully. After creating login your mail account, you should enter your email ID and password both. Then click login. Up to introduction to email. What is email? What are the advantages of email? Address of email. Creating account in email over. Then how to send email, how to reply, forward, delete, everything we will discuss in next class. Thank you.